Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the Astro A50 and ensure the base station has the latest firmware, because updates fix pairing bugs. Next, power on your Xbox Series X and plug the base station into USB. Make sure the optical adapter is connected if your mix amp or bass requires optical audio. Set the Xbox audio output to stereo uncompressed and turn off spatial audio options, since the A50 expects a clean stereo stream for chat and game audio to mix correctly. Once done with basics, put the A50 into pairing mode by holding power and mute until the LED blinks. This forces a fresh sync and avoids ghost connections. Make sure the base station is set to console mode. Flip the mode switch on the back so the Xbox audio routes correctly. Place the headset on, then slowly raise bass volume and adjust the game/voice balance until game audio is clear and chat is audible. This prevents sudden loud bursts that can distort or clip. To finish, join a party and launch a game to verify chat and game audio blend correctly. Listen for latency or muffled tones and tweak the Xbox chat mixer if one source overpowers the other. If you get no audio, repair the A50, power cycle the base station, and confirm the USB and optical cables are seated. Loose cables are the most common cause. If problems persist, connect the base to a PC and use Astro Command Center to update firmware and adjust EQ settings, which often resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.